Alright guys, showing you some quick Eastwood views here. Got a little cool night market here. Got some people playing over there. Din's over there, shopping for some slippers. Caught the candy man over here. Some eye hair wear there. Some technology and phone cases here. And more. I'm just trying to show you guys Eastwood. Eastwood is a pretty badass place. Cool. They got some toys over here for sale as well. Some jewelry. And we got some live musicians playing. Good jams, good jams, good jams. Good stuff, good stuff. Like the guy, he's in the mood. He has some good vibes. Let's go film this a little better for him. Very great talent here. Great musician. We're just giving a walk. Cool food trucks here. And like you got a liquor shop over there. And I think you got another band over here, man. I could hear some good jams. This place is beautiful. Oh, look how lively it is over here. Look at that. Got cool food trucks here. Burrito, quesadillas, and more. And then just life everywhere. Besides that bar area, there's some life here. Oh, you do got like a musician here. Oh, it's like a DJ. Oh, sorry. So yeah, this is Eastwood City Walk. Such a rad place, lively. So much people in bars. It's filled with life. I recommend you come here for night. Nightlife here is alive. It's alive. It's beautiful, man. Got musicians playing. Got little food trucks going. Got bars going. Got fucking cool stalls over here, like night market. I can't stress how being here right now in this city makes me feel good. It makes me feel like there was no more pandemic, you know, like it's just back to normal. Like everyone's out and about and there's people living, you know, just living life, enjoying it. So yeah, let's go check out this place. I don't know if I'm gonna stop it here, but thanks for watching. See you in probably the next slide or see you later. Peace, I'm out.